Now let's talk about a date object. Time is an important thing, right? We like to know the time a certain activity or event. In JavaScript, current time and date is created using a JavaScript date object. The object we create using date object provides many methods to work with the date and time. The methods we use to get date and time information from a date object values are started with the word get because it provides the information, right? So let's explore some of these methods. Let's first create a time object by saying const now new date. So that's how we can create a date object. If I console log now here, as you can see, it is actually returning the current date and time. Today is Tuesday, April 6, 2021, Indian Standard Time. So that's how a time object actually works. Now we have created a time object and we can access any date time information from this object using get methods. For example, I can get a full year from this time object. For example, I can say get full year. As you can see, it is returning 2021. That's the year, right? I can also get a month by saying get month. It should be month. If I save that, as you can see, it is returning 3. It's April here. It should return 4, right? But counting starts from 0. For January, it is gonna return 0. February 1. Similarly, for the April, it's gonna return 3. We can get the date by saying get date. Today is April 6, so it is returning 6. I can also say get a day, a particular day. For example, I can say get a day. If I save that, it's 2 because the day is actually, let me just see, it's Tuesday, right? Monday is 1, Tuesday is going to be 2, right? That's why it is returning 2. We can also get hours using this get methods. So let's just say hours. If I save that, it is returning 0. That's because it's currently 12 a.m. 12:42 a.m. So it's gonna return 0, right? We can also get minutes. As I said, it's 12:42. Let's check for that. Let's say minutes. If I save that, as you can see, as I said, it's 12:42, so it's gonna return the 42. We can also get the seconds. If I say here get seconds, as you can see, it's returning 52 seconds. Now if I save this again, 57. If I save that, 59. As that's how this date object actually works. We can also get the time. This method gives time in milliseconds. Starting from January 1 to January 1, 1970, it is also known as a Unix time. We can get Unix time in 2 ways. For example, the first method is going to be get time. Let's use that. As you can see, it's returning some gibberish or random value. You might be thinking a random value. This is the number of seconds passed from January 1, 1970 to current date, that is April 6, 2021. These are the amount of seconds, right? Similarly, I can also say console log, date dot now. I can also say let's store all seconds here, all seconds, and here I'm gonna say date dot now. Now if I console log all seconds, as you can see, it's gonna return the same value. And similarly, that is the value passed from January 1 to 1970. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk about before that let's take one more example now. I can get, let's console log date, month, year and time using this date object. Let's just say const now is new date. We just created the date object. I'm gonna extract year by saying now dot get full year. I can get the year, right? It's gonna returns year. Here I'm gonna extract month from it. I can say now dot get month. As the counting starts from 0, so I need to add a +1 here to get the exact month. Okay, returns month. I can also extract date now dot get date. It's gonna return date from 1 to 31. Returns date. We forgot to add a semicolon. Let's fix that. Okay, now let's extract hours. Const hours is equals to, we made a mistake here, it should be now. Let's say now dot get hours. As you might have already guessed, it's gonna return hours. Similarly, let's say const minutes. Let's also extract minutes now. Now dot get minutes. Okay, now if I console log I'm gonna use the backticks. Let's say first I'm gonna say date. Let's say now month and year, and here let's say return the time. Now that should be hours. Let's also return the minutes now. Minutes. Now if I save, check out the console now. As you can see, 6 April 2021, time is 12:47. That's how we can play around with this date object. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to do some exercises so that you can revise whatever you have learned till now. So I will see you in the next one.